ge mawulire agakutandisa olunaku wano ku Nabassa.
Tereze sawa tubenga tutambulira walala dakiika didno 12 nedegene sawa 12 edokuncho kwa leero kikulu kutereze sawa twabanga tutambulira walala tereza tubenga tutambulira walala kalulu kanyose kigambo kyaba mu kalulu ekibitirivu asada batonya ni kumaziga olw'embeera yabaire mu kalulu etabaire nango ezira kitawa finally akalulu kano kasobera okubanga kawa muna mateeka muna NUP Elias Nalukola n'omubaka owa Kawempe ya Mamboka omulonde okusinzira ku byaviire mu TANAP yabaire mbino TANAP yabaire mbi nga omusika wa Muhammad Segirinya mbyobufuzi no yatuva ku maiso mu January tandikwa yo mwaka guno era NUP yatuwaire eyamwirire mbigere Elias Rimbazi Nalukola yalangirirwa nga eyasobera okubanga awangula akalunga wangule baina abandi mwenda tegeza nti akakonka kabaire ku bantu 10 ngera bwe bali mwendera gwa bantu 10 nga omugenzi Segirinya bakupa akalulu ono yawangwire n'obululu omutwalo mulala kasanvu lusanvu nkagana buna bwonka omutwalo mulala kasanvu lusanvu nkagana buna yairirwa muna NRM Farida Nambe obululu bwabaire 8 5 9 okusinzira kuba Electoral Commission wano bobole ngire wano muna independent Hanifa Karadi mulerwa yaida mu fecho okusatu n'obululu 3 kinana na kalale kitegeza nti embiranye yabaire wagati wa NUP na NRM buti ekyokuna kyaba muna FDC omwembi Sadat Muchibi Khalifa Ganaga obululu 239 abakandidate abandi kwabere ku muyambi wo mugenzi yali omuyambi omugenzi Muhammad Segirinya Muhammad Ruswa Luwemba yafunye obululu 2 owa People's Progressive Party PPP Ismail Musitwa obululu 39 Henry Mubiru Kasacha obululu 10 DP Edward Stanley Engena Maitum mwana ni wayali kumukulembezi bululu 22 bwonka Moses Nsereko Sade ya bedi nga bintu ebibokisi bichi obululu bwa 32 bantu ndoza baira abasesanga bwa busese na bibokisi bye then Muhammadu Mutazindwa bululu 16 kusinzira ku mbeera bwe yasobera okubanga ewa kalulu kabanga katambwire katyo kusinzira ku returning officer Henry Makabai bululu emitwalo 2 kasanvu 5 9 emitwalo 2 kasanvu 5 9 ku mitwalo kumpi 20 ku mitwalo kumpi 20 emitwalo 2 kasanvu 5 9 no bululu obwabaire valid ku ballot papers zedabalibwa emitwalo 2 82 kitegeeza abona basoboire okubanga bakalulu twalo 2 tijaweze ne 3 obululu obwasoboire okubanga bwononeka 406 obona obululu bwafiire 406 wabaire obululu 49 obubo obwayononeibwa kwononebwa bwononebwe Makabai akoba nti waliwo polling stations 15 results dado edo dabaire matankane era nga kwedo mukaaga dabera affected ku nsonga da material nenda kufuna kubataka wano soka kufunani kulumwene soka tufuna wano mukulu wono yawusa akalulu soka tumufune ku wano kalulu kano sawa musanva bakulu babaire bategeere eyakawuse.
But we still have a long way to go. I thank you. Uganda. Masebo ne banyabo buno si buwanguzi bwange. Buno si buwanguzi bwa kibiina kyange NUP. Buno buwanguzi bwa bana Uganda. Buwanguzi bw'abantu ba Kawempe North Constituency. Wabula ekibiina kyange kyebaza wansi w'obukulembeze bwa President Kyagulanyi Ssentamu nabo bakulembera nabo nga Secretary General Lugongo yono gwe mulaba wano ne bano abalala abakulembeze baffe olw'okubanga baleese okulaga banna Kawempe North ne banna Uganda nti oteekwa kuyimirira nga totitiira nga togooka n'olyoka olwanirira ekyo ekikyo banna Kawempe North mbeebaza olw'okubanga muyimiridde ne mugamba nedda tuganye Fugabbi tuteekwa okusigalawo okwagala kwaffe ne kuyimirira mbeebaza nnyo abakulembeze b'NUP President Kyagulanyi Deputy Honorable Muwanga Kivumbi Senior Legislators nga Honorable Betty Nambooze n'abalala bangi abakulembeze mwenna mwebale okukola emirimu bakutu soldiers mwebale ba residents ba Kawempe North mwebale.
Oyo n'omwami Nalukola eyawangwira akalulu nga yebaza basobera okumuyira omubiri nairala banakibiina kutandikira kumwesiga bamuwa flag kutuuka kunoonya akalulu okutuuka kunaku olw'okulonda okukuuma akalulu paka kukulangirirwa ebintu tibyabaire byangu sada akalulu yakawangwira omulingirira ng'anenya bwamutu akanti bwe biba bitibwe biba sada balye sente tibwe biba bitibwe biba nga wini wano ogitoola bakalulu kajiira okola kati nga bamawulire mboko be batoire mu firuti bandi bali kubitanda abandi bayizeka abandi bakolera emirimu tufune ku mukulu Lubongo ya wano nga yena ayogeraku eri bana mawulire oluvainuma lw'akalulu kano NUP okawuta.
It was confiscated. We have people who are in detention in different parts of Kampala and Wakiso and other places. So it is bittersweet. But as I say, the harder the fight, the sweeter the victory. And so this is a great victory for the people of Uganda, for the people of Kawempe North. By all standards, this has been one of the most violent elections in the history of our country. You saw what happened. You see right now they are telling us that we got 17,000 votes, 764. Now the NRM got 8,593, which, as you know, they did not get. But most importantly, you had that over 15 polling stations are not counted. Why? Because goons under the command of regime officials came and, destroyed every polling material at those polling stations. So as NUP, we are very glad that the people of Kawempe North have stood firm. There were attempts at different polling stations to ballot staff, to do all sorts of things, but the people resisted in some cases. In some other cases, we were chased off polling stations, beaten up and all that, and so we are glad that we can be here today. What I can finalize with is we've been telling about the protest vote. Our president, His Excellency Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert, has been telling you that we are going for a protest vote in 2026. And he told you that the protest vote begins in Kawempe. This is the meaning of a protest vote. And the regime has done everything humanly possible to ensure that Honorable Nalukola Luyimbazi Elias is not declared. But the people have spoken, and have spoken very, very loud.
Oyo natekera NUP Lubongoya nga ayogera ku okweri bana mawulire luvannyuma lw'okulangirirwa kwa mukulu Luyimbazi ku buwanguzi buno comment ya Kalulu tikabaire kangu Kalulu tikabaire kangu kano no wano mukulu Kiwanda ngayogera ku luvannyuma lw'okulangirwa kwa Nalukola nti akalulu akawuuse kusinzira ku byabaire mu Kalulu tono mukulembeze tundu gwe Buganda awo kibiina NRM Saidere Lubongoya bwalinga ku byavire mu kulonda abanyera nga n'obululu akanana nambi yabaire tabuweza nga bo bafunibwa mutwalo mulala akasanvu nambi abe na kanana vota tana up yabaire mbi ino emitwalo tidaweze 3 twale biri kanana mitwalo ejija mu 20 abalonzi aberuirwawo kwano da Moses Nsereko omukulu yavire na bululu bwa 32 iwansindikira message nti omukulu obi box 32 buti soka tufune ku mukulu Kiwando
of political parties, because yes, we've been in Kawempe with different colors. Me, I'm in my yellow, other when they are red, in blue, in yellow, in green, but we couldn't clash. We could just go out and explain to the voters. To me, that's very important. It's very critical. The code of conduct of political parties is very critical. Secondly, also, people knowing that we should have a peaceful election. It's very important. Because if 10 people have participated, there is no way that all of them would have been declared winners. But if we had the other election, we got only 6,000 votes, and Nook got 40,000 votes. Today Nook has only 12, and we have 8,000. That's a very big gap. That's a very big performance. So we are very grateful for the people of Kawempe, and we are very sure that we are taking over Kampala, we are taking over Central.
Lessons taken?
Yeah, many lessons taken. Of course, some may not say them on the media, but very many lessons learned. There is a very big youth wave that we need to address. There is a very big discontent on issues of service delivery. Even on some of the services that we feel that have gone to the public, some of them have not reached. Things like a Myoga, things like a PDM, we need to put more emphasis to make sure that at least we actually meet the public, discuss with the public. At the end of the day, we shall be able to bridge this gap. There's some gap that we need to bridge.
Oyono mukulu Kiwanda ku nsonga yedakuba nti nedaba leetera okuluzinga Kalulu aikiriza nti ensonga d'Emyoga ne PDM Kawempe awo bagira okukizuula ng'ebintu bituukanga sekitegeeza waliwo ekyetaaga okuterezebwa then akonye ku nsonga y'abavubuka ku addressinga ensonga d'abavubuka Kalulu kano abavubuka n'abasinze okukakuba n'ababeire n'obuvumo obusobola okubita ku security abakulukulu mu myaka bakanti ife katube waka batabani baje basale ku nsonga da Kawempe so yakanti era kyona kyetaaga okuterezebwa then n'empereza mu bintu ebyendawulo side de Kawempe awo kyona bakiboine nga balina okubaako okunengeri yabakubye batereza aye nga ate bwalinga ku kanana kebafunye yalingani ku mulala akasanvu ogw'omuwanguzi akanti ekyo kiraga nti bapiikinze as NRM waawo tibasobere kuwangula mu Kalulu kano abantu basobera okubawuliriza aye akanti ensonga yadde abavubuka balina okwongera okudisoosowaza kitegeeza nti abavubuka boti factor y'amaani mu Kalulu ke Uganda ti Kawempe yonka kwa bwobolingire ebitundu kumpi 75 population ya Uganda ate ti Uganda yonka ensi yevo okutuuka yekanga sawa dino factor y'amaani eyabavubuka naera kudetermininga obukulembeze etaaga okulowooza kweino nairala mbuweereza nti buli gavumenti kyeri kulowoozaku erina okulowooza eino ku bavubuka bano kuba byebenda bindi era byandawulo kwebyo bayinza okuba nga babendeza kwa iwo oyinza okuba nga obuvubuka wabulimu ayo wabubeereramu nga ebyaimwe bindi kabiri obuvubuka buli buvubuka bwidda n'ebyabwo abavubuka buti abaliwo benda life eyeri soft etambulani.com vubuka kasaba na data ngasobola owaya nibaine so ebyo nabyo byetaaga okuba nga ate birowoozebwako omwigo gwafuuse omwigo bana mawulire banji ba boycottinga akalulu kano emikutu dasika ya abantu bado nti tutabona mirambo nga abantu bafiirire mu kalulu era twatuuse ekiseera nga iwa ali kuwuliriza okutuusaako ebiri e Kawempe oba oti oli ku reportinga biri mu lutalo oba nga ali ekisangaani embooko yafuuse embooko eyo n'ensonga yetaaga okulowoozebwako eno bwe tuba baakutereeza wingi yaife eno ey'amawulire n'ab'ebyokwerinda kuba okukwerumba kwalagira irala nga waliwo ebitalitambula bulungi nga ow'ebyokwerinda bwabona ku kamera ow'ebyokwerinda bwabona ku mona mawulire mu press jacket oberemeti oba yabona kutaaga yonayona ngeri ku press kabiri kuba kuniiga kukuba obukyayi buba bungi obusungu buba bungi ate ng'ezira nsi ekula lwa mbeera eyo ya busungu ezira nsi ekula ng'abantu tebali kwogerezeganya ezira nsi ekula nga ezira asobola kuwuliziganya na mwine obukambwe bungi then obukambwe obundi bwabaire kuba bloggers niba naife abagema de live ng'awe ebyokwerinda okukubona n'esimu nti ogema live omwigo gwe bakukuba oguniga wiiki namba oli kuniga mwigo ekyo kyetaaga okwadressinga mu bwangu waawo ku saidi eno y'amawulire ebibiina eby'endawulo byasobola okutyama mu bwangu eddoboozi lyaba lya walala nti ensonga ed'ebyabokwerinda tusooke diire kumbali okutuusa ke waliwo ekikoleibwa kuba ekifaananyi ekyalagibwa e Kawempe kyalaze nti enkolagana wagati w'ebitongole eby'ebyokwerinda n'amawulire mu iwanga tibiri ku page ndala obusungu bungi amazima omwigo gwabaire mubitirivu kukuba kunoza ezira kukoba ndi ate wekubye kukuba kunoza kamera edayonone ekidonda dabaire mbitirivu kino kyetaaga okwadressinga ti kwetonda kwonka kuba akalulu kona akali kukubwa nga bannayuganda n'abakalimu waire nga waliwo endawukana mwani ali kuwagirwa kasooka kuba k'abannayuganda buli akali mu munnayuganda gwe bali kulonda tiimu zaire kuba buti Nalukole yawangwira akalu tiimu zaire ate mu byobufuzi Nalukole olwaleero ayinza okuba mu NUP onako olw'enkyo yaba mu DP nga bwe yali mu DP yaba mu FDC oba NRM ate ekitulemye okutegeera nti akalulu bwe kawangulwa awangwira akalulu akulembera abamulonze n'abatamulonze ekyo ekintu kyalema bannayuganda okutegeera kiremye abantu okutegeera nti bwe tuba wano mu mbiranye akalulu nga tuli kukanoonya tukanoonya nga buli muntu ali mu kibiina kike aye bw'otuuka okuwangula akalulu okulembera abakulonze waakulembereramu n'abatakulonze oba kitegeerekeka buti lwaki okuba kuba atakulonze akalulu bwe kawatafuuka wa kitundu kindi nti akaata alonda Nalukoola buti otakaali Munakawempe asigala nga Munakawempe numirwa ino banaife abakuba ebipande yataaku nti ekikuluma n'ekiinuma kuba omuntu eyeesimbyewo ava mu imwe